Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best smart light switches that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the TPLink Tapo Matter Smart Light Switch. This 2-pack is an excellent entry-level option for those seeking broad compatibility across multiple smart home platforms. Thanks to Matter's cutting-edge protocol, you can control these switches seamlessly with Siri, Alexa, Google Home, and even SmartThings. The standout feature here is the ability to maintain LAN control even when your internet is down, ensuring uninterrupted functionality. The build quality is modern and minimalistic, with a slim design that fits flush against your wall. It's UL certified for safety, and the app-guided installation process makes setup straightforward, though a neutral wire is required. In terms of performance, the Tapo Matter switch excels in multi-admin capabilities, allowing multiple platforms to manage the same device. This is perfect for households with mixed ecosystems, like Apple and Android users under one roof. However, the lack of dimming functionality and no support for three-way circuits may limit its versatility. At $16.99, this switch offers great value, especially for multi-platform compatibility. It's ideal for those who want a reliable, budget-friendly smart switch with a focus on interoperability. Pros include robust Matter support and easy installation, while cons include the absence of dimming and advanced features like three-way control. Coming in at number 4, we have the Casa Smart Light Switch HS200. A single-pole switch that packs a punch at an unbeatable price of just $12.98. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list, yet it doesn't skimp on essential features. With app-guided installation, you can set it up with minimal hassle, though you'll need a neutral wire, and consulting an electrician is recommended if you're unfamiliar with wiring. This switch is perfect for controlling your lights from anywhere using the Casa app. The scheduling feature is a standout, allowing you to automate your lights with timers, countdowns, and even an away mode to make your home appear occupied. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant adds hands-free convenience, making it a solid choice for smart home beginners. However, the design is fairly basic, and there's no dimming functionality, which might be a deal-breaker for some. At this price point, the HS200 offers exceptional value for basic smart lighting needs. It's a reliable, no-frills option for those who want remote and voice control without spending a fortune. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, while cons are its lack of dimming and somewhat plain design. At number 3, we have the Casa Smart Switch 2-gang HS200 This switch is designed to give you double the functionality in one sleek package. The 2-gang design allows you to control 2 separate circuits with a single unit, making it perfect for spaces like kitchens or living rooms where multiple lights or devices need independent control. The build quality is top-notch, with an elegant and modern design that blends seamlessly into most decor styles. Like other Casa products, installation is guided by the app, and while you'll need a neutral wire, the process is straightforward. Once set up, the Casa app and voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant offer excellent flexibility. Advanced scheduling and an away mode add to its functionality, making it an ideal choice for those who travel frequently or want added security features. Priced at $24.98, the 2-gang HS200 offers good value for those seeking multiple circuit control without buying separate switches. Its pros include its dual circuit control and robust scheduling options, while cons are that it doesn't support dimming and requires neutral wiring, which might be a hurdle for some users. Taking the second spot is the Casa Smart Light Switch HS200 a 3-pack bundle that's perfect for outfitting multiple rooms in your home. At $29.99, this bundle offers excellent cost per unit value, making it a great choice for those looking to expand their smart home setup efficiently. The HS200 offers the same reliable performance as the single-pack version, with app-controlled remote operation, voice control via Alexa and Google Assistant, and robust scheduling options. The build quality is solid, and the design is clean and modern, fitting well in most homes. The installation process is app-guided, and while it requires a neutral wire, it's beginner-friendly if you follow the instructions closely. This 3-pack is ideal for homeowners who want to add smart lighting to multiple rooms without breaking the bank. The pros include its affordability for a bundle, easy setup, and reliable performance. However, like the single-pack version, it lacks dimming functionality and advanced features like 3-way compatibility, which could be limiting for some users. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Casa Smart Dimmer Switch HS200P3. This premium option, priced at $39.99 for a 3-pack, offers unparalleled versatility and control over your home lighting. What sets it apart is the 0%, 100% dimming capability, allowing you to adjust brightness levels through the app, voice commands, or directly on the switch. Features like double-click fade-off are perfect for winding down at night. The design is sleek and intuitive, with a push-button actuator that feels responsive and well-built. Installation is guided through the Casa app, and while a neutral wire is required, the process is manageable for most users. Voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant works flawlessly, and you can create intricate lighting schedules to suit your lifestyle. The no-hub-required design makes it an even more attractive choice. The HS200P3 is ideal for those who want advanced dimming features and elegant design without compromising on reliability. Pros include its dimming functionality, premium build quality, and multi-pack value. The only con is that it's slightly more expensive than non-dimming models, but the added functionality makes it well worth the investment for most users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.